You check your bank account like it owes you an apology. It doesn't have one. The number's smaller than it should be. Again. You didn't buy anything crazy this month. No trip, no splurge, nothing you'd call reckless. And yet somehow, quietly, the money left anyway. That's not an accident. That's the invisible drain. Every subscription you forgot about. Every just tap to pay moment that skipped the part of your brain that used to ask, can I afford this? Every free trial that turned into a charge you never noticed. None of it is designed to be seen. It's designed to be felt later as confusion. You were taught to watch for big mistakes, the car you shouldn't have bought, the vacation you couldn't afford. But nobody warned you about the small ones, stacked 100 times a month, each one too tiny to question. Convenience isn't free, it's just billed quietly. Here's the part that matters. This isn't a willpower problem. You're not bad with money. You're navigating a system built by people whose job is to make spending frictionless and saving forgettable. The tap, the autofill, the one-click checkout. Every barrier between you and your money has been removed on purpose by someone getting paid to remove it. So the fix isn't shame, it's visibility. Barely Living isn't here to tell you to stop enjoying your life. It's here to show you where the drain actually is, so you can decide on purpose where your money goes instead of finding out later where it went. You don't need more discipline, you need to see the leak. That's what we do here. Every video, every doodle, every number, we make the invisible visible. Your wallet's been quietly drained for long enough. It's time you saw exactly how.